Coming soon, a back to school YouTube hop hosted by Country Craft Creations. The hop will be this Friday and Saturday, and we will have giveaways and a fun scavenger hunt. The hop includes 5 Country Craft Creations designers, and we are here today to share some sneak peeks, so let's get started.
Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my craft room. I'm here to show you my project that I have designed for the Back to School Hop with Country Craft Creations here on YouTube. I created this folio album. It is a heavyweight chipboard cover album using 49 Market's Academia paper collection. I will be doing the tutorial on this on Friday, August the 9th for the hop. So I hope you'll join me. It has a lot of fun elements inside, and it is basically made for the older students like high school or college. And it has a lot of fun, different flips and flaps and pockets inside with tags and library pocket cards and coin envelope cards. So I think you'll really enjoy it. It has places for journaling here inside like that. So it's a full tutorial, so I hope you'll join me at the hop on Friday, August the 9th. The Back to School Hop with Country Craft Creations. If you don't want to do a back to school project, you can use any collection you have in your stash. See you then.
Hello, thank you for being interested in the Back to School Hop. My name is Kim, and I'll be one of the designers who will be having a free project for you. I thought I'd give you a quick walkthrough of what you'll be making when you visit my channel. The first thing is a desk caddy. It does have 4 dividers, and it has pockets for post-it notes and for paper clips. And I thought that would be super cute on a desk. I'm using the Echo Park collection called Off to School, and you can find that at Country Craft Creations. But that's the first thing you'll be making on my channel. The second thing is a repurposing of these daily planners. So this is from Walmart. It is $5.95. If you can't find these, that's no problem. You can use a pre-made box or a small box of any kind and just use small little notebooks or tablets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this into a cute caddy here. I turn the box sideways and make a pocket. Use the adorable paper from Echo Park. But then inside I took those notebooks and I transferred them or decorated them. So I did August through May, which is my school year. And then I'm just going to use that caddy to store these in. And I just thought they were super cute, and I think you'll really enjoy the project. It's kind of like little mini scrapbooks. So get your materials and be ready to join us. And I'm looking forward to it. It'll be a lot of fun.
Hi, this is Jen, and today I am going to show you what I will be making and working with for the Country Craft Creations Back to School Hop. Today I am going to show you just a little sneak peek inside my project. So this is my cover, and what I will be using is a Simple Stories snap binder. These are available at Country Craft Creations. And this is my cover. I am using the exclusive school collection, which is all these fun vintage school related themes. And I'm just going to show you a little sneak here of what I have done so far. I'm not going to give too much away, but this is what we have so far. So I hope that you can join us for this hop. Lots of fun projects to make, prizes to be won. Hope to see you there.
Hi everybody, this is Michelle Allen. I'm one of the designers with Country Craft Creations. I'm really excited to share with you the project that I'm going to be making. I'm using 49 Market's Academia collection. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've designed this album that will hold memories from kindergarten clear through graduation. But it's very simple and it's very easy to make. It has pockets and it has a new pop-up feature that I'm excited to share with you that will be on the inside, front, and back covers. There are tags and pockets and all kinds of fun things in here, so I'm really hoping that you like it as much as I do. And then at the end of the video, I'm also going to share with you this card that I made using the leftovers that I had. This would be a great graduation card for your graduates. So I'm super glad you're here. I'm really excited to be a part of this, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Hello, I am Jackie of Jack Scraps. Thanks for joining us today. I want to share with you a little sneak of my project for Back to School Hop. But wait, I am not just going to take you back to school. I'm going to take you back to Hogwarts, and we are going to create an 8x8 interactive mini album. This is a 2.0 version of my current 8x8 interactive mini album. There are new pop-ups, new interactions, new techniques to share with you, and I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. And I'll be doing a premiere video. So what that means is when this first airs, I will be live in the chat so we can talk while we watch and craft together. I'm so excited to spend that time with you, so make sure to mark your calendar and I'll see you on Saturday. I hope you have enjoyed those sneak peeks of our up and coming projects for the Back to School YouTube Hop, and mark your calendar and we'll see you there.